This night I'm gonna try to run TORQ EV with the new A1-3 battery. A1-3 is an American company that does battery modules and battery cells based on nanophosphate technology. I connected two batteries 86 volts in series to the net gain controller. My TORQ EV didn't run for about a year, so previous owner burned the batteries in his garage because it didn't have any BMS system. So I installed these two batteries that has BMS on board. My first attempt wasn't really successful. Controller was showing me several errors. I cleaned them up and restarted, and I was able to spin wheels in the air. So I dropped my car off onto the ground and tried to have a short ride. Oh, by the way, this is Cosmo. He loves to ride roadsters. However, this is his first time he was riding a roadster. I had to slow him down because he wanted to jump out the car. So he was riding pretty good. The brakes are awful. They need, I think, to be cleaned, and probably I will look for some vacuum brake booster. So my car had 174 volts on a pack. When I just started, I did several hard accelerations, and by the time when I came back to the garage, it showed 170 volts. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I'm gonna try and post more videos and more details about the project and how it's going. I'm planning to set up a new charging system, figure out how to work with the batteries BMS through CAN bus, and so on. So subscribe and stay on.